Welcome back to my channel. It's Harley here, your future or current addiction. Today's video is all on Outre's brand new melted hairline unit in the style Ria and in the color DR2 Autumn Brown. This unit was sent to me over by our friends at samsbeauty.com. They are sponsoring this video, so thank you guys for that. Now let's get into the cap on this thing. She looks very beautiful so far. She has your standard 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable bands in the back as well, and also the very special adjustable band in the front of the cap as well that allows you to wear her completely glueless. So I'm just gonna put her on and style her down. I must say I was very impressed by how easy she was to style and how realistic and how beautiful this unit looks once completely applied down to my head. You guys are going to love this unit. It is very affordable, but also so nice and so realistic. So get into this slay, you guys. It's mind-blowing. And please don't forget to smash that like button, you guys, and also hit the subscription button and the notification bell as well, so you can tune into the fam so you don't miss any of my future content. Alright, you guys, so I'm done styling this unit. So now we're just going to get into my final thoughts on this unit. This is my second Outre melted hairline unit that I've tried, and I'm not a fan of the series. I wasn't really a fan of Sabrina, and I'm not really a fan of this one either. And I'm not a fan of this one because I'm not a fan of left side parts. I hate them, I hate them so much. And yeah, we have a full left side part situation going on. So if you hate left side parts as much as I do, then this is something you're gonna want to pass. Like, I just can't get past the left part side stuff. It's just not. I don't like curl patterns like this. They just look, it looks really weird. Other than those two things, I do really like this unit. I do really wish that this was the right sided part. Then maybe I'll like a little bit more. But one thing that I do absolutely love about this unit is the melted hairline. It's definitely worth the coins for the hairline alone. If you can get into this hairline right now, like, it was so easy and simple to lay. It literally did exactly what it said it does. It melts into your scalp. And I'm wearing this unit completely glueless right now because there is a strap in the middle of the unit, which I showed you guys, that holds the unit really tight and taut on your head. So you don't have to use any adhesive to keep this unit down. This is literally a throw on and go. And this lace, this realistic lace, is just it's such a nice feature of this unit. This unit also is big head friendly. It fits me from one ear all the way to the other side. This unit does shed a little bit. There's like minor shedding with it. It's nothing major. And the unit does get a little tangled, but I think it's more so because it is in a wavy state. So you're not really supposed to be like combing through it anyway. But for the most part, it's very free flowing though. So it's not like a tingly mass, it just gets a little tangled. This is pretty much all that I can offer you as an opinion on this unit. Like I said, I'm not a fan. So I don't really have much else to offer than just the typical specs of it. So that being said, if you love this unit and you would like to purchase one for yourself, all the links that you need to pick this unit up from samsbeauty.com will be down in the description bar below. So head on over there and pick this unit up so that she can be added to your collection. If you're still watching me and you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and give the subscription button a little love tap just for me so you don't miss any of my future wig sling videos or any of my other content. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to yet another one of my Simply Slayed affordable wig reviews, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!